we're doing 2 rounds per person this time. So we're gonna level up a little bit, all right? Is the crowd still with me? Yeah. All 4 of you guys, I'm gonna get you a drink after. But a water, because I have one for free in the back over here. So I got you guys. All right, let's go. 2 rounds each, all right? Whoever wants it. Fresco. Woo! Nice suicide, Freddy. Nice suicide. Shout out to Frosty Freeze. Rest in peace.
Let's go.
Go, Jordan. Oh, he's in your face. Oh. Nasty. Oh. I got his back. Let's go.
Let's go, Dylan!
It's gotta be the dance. Work it out, Dylan. Work it out, Dylan. Oh, he said you. Keep it going, Dylan. Keep it going. Show me more. What else you got, Dylan? Oh, nice backspin. Fresh freeze.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Michael Myers. A.K.A. Mike Kills.
Hey.
Fresh. Nice. That's all it takes sometimes. Another routine. Let's go. Oh, that was nice. Carnage. I like that one.
Hey. Let's go, Carnage. WeBreak. Sick. Oh, nice work. Keep it going, Carnage. Oh. Hey, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Stop it, Carnage. Stop it. Uh-oh, they got routines too. Let's go. Oh. Nasty. Alright. Freddy, Fresco, last round.
Let's go, Freddy.
Let's go, Freddy. Show them that LA style. Show them what you do. Nice, Jordan. Last round. Oh, he said I got that too. 2 times.
Hey,
Dylan. Round.
hey.
Let's get him hype, y'all. Come on. DJ Abel bringing the fire to the kitchen.
Hey. Let's go, Dylan.
Dylan is not playing today. Dylan, get ready. Dylan is wilding out. Oh! I like that, Dylan.
Hey.
Oh, he said I got that too. Whoa.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh! That's it. Wait, Carnage, did you go twice? No. Let's go, Carnage.
Hey.
That's it.
Let's go, Carnage.
Wait. Show them everything, Carnage. Show them everything. Oh, chill. Take your time. Nice. Oh. Hadouken.
Let's go.
What a moment.
Yeah.
What a moment right here. I could promote on Fairplex.
Wait, what?
It's a Fairplex. That was a nice battle, Carnage. I like the last move you did, the Hadouken. That's a Street Fighter move, huh?
I don't know.
Just say yes. Just say
Okay, yeah, you should watch like some arcade games. You did some crazy stuff right now, bro.
Yeah.
It was wild. I liked it a lot. Judges, it's all up to you now. Okay, this is why you guys are getting paid thousands of pennies.
So, like, always.
All they have to do is go like this. Look, easy. I used to do that back in the days. 1, 2, and 3. There it is. Y'all. Eric 57 moves on. Can we?